Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an after Christmas clean with me. I am basically cleaning up everything left behind from opening up all of our gifts, eating all of our candy, and having a good morning. This video is in collaboration with my super sweet friend Heidi. I'm going to link her channel and her video down below, but I am giving her a minute to introduce herself here.
Hi y'all, my name is Heidi from Clean and Organized with Heidi. I have two school-age kiddos that I take to school every morning and pick up every afternoon, and my oldest is in college. Her name is Elora. She's 23 and a freshman. My 13-year-old is Seth. He's in 7th grade, and Bella is 9. She's in the 4th grade. Over on my channel, I make real-life videos revolving around family life, including cleaning, organization, decluttering, cooking, and grocery hauls. I'm so glad to have you as part of my growing YouTube family, and I'm sure to provide lots of motivation.
If you guys are coming over from Heidi's channel, hello and welcome. I am so excited to have each and every one of you. I wanted to let you guys know here on my channel, I do beauty, lifestyle, and cleaning. So basically all things mom related. I am a full-time working mama. I am married to my high school sweetheart. I have 4 kids, 3 girls, 1 boy, and I am so excited to be on this journey with you. I hope each and every one of you guys had a fabulous Christmas and Christmas Eve. You guys, we had such a good day. We kept our presents very minimal, and all of our kids were so appreciative. We laughed, we cried, we had a beautiful, beautiful Christmas morning. I'm also super excited for what 2021 has in store for us. So with that being said, I do want to give you guys a little bit of, in advance. There will be a lot of declutters come January and February. So I hope if you guys like declutters, you stick around because there will be plenty of that. Is there anything that you guys are looking forward to for 2021? I know 2020 has been such a difficult year for just about everyone. So I'm really looking for some uplifting, positive, upbeat, happy comments in the comment section down below. Let's chit chat back and forth talking about what it is that we are excited for the year of 2021. Let's get started on this cleaning. You guys can see that I am going from pile to pile, and I am basically cleaning up all of the trash. So I'm focusing on trash first and everything else later. So go ahead, watch me pick up all of this trash and separate it from all of the things that do not need to get thrown away. This is by no means a deep clean, because I did not even pull out the vacuum. I just wanted to get all of the trash cleaned up, all of the boxes stored away, and all of the Christmas goodies put in their proper areas. So that is exactly what you will be watching. Some of my kids step in here and there to help out, and eventually you will see each one of my 4 kids coming to pick up their belongings to take them to their bedrooms. All of the boxes that you see me stacking here by the basement door will go down to the basement. My 2 older girls do take them down in stages as I am done with them, and the rest of the stuff is going in the trash if it does not have, you know, a purpose. So here we go, guys. Taya is making herself very well known right here. She thought I would not catch on, but I did, and I am leaving it in this video. Here is Rudy playing with one of her new toys. We call her Blue. She's a super sweet monkey. She is a little bit firm to the touch. She is one of those toys by the brand Kong. Super fun. She cannot break them. They are very, very, very sturdy toys for dogs. Earlier this morning, I had my two younger kids pick up all of the trash, and you can see me going through the trash that they picked up to make sure nothing that was needed got thrown away in one of these boxes. Plus, I wanted to save the box, so you will see that I'm saving all of the boxes, like I've said, because my brain just cannot get words out. I'm saving all the boxes, guys. I want to take a minute to thank Heidi for asking me to do this collaboration. That is so sweet of you. I am so excited to get to know you even more, and I cannot wait to see what 2021 has in store for you, and I cannot wait to see your channel take off. You are so deserving, and there are so many good things coming your way, my friends. If you have made it this far into my video, I would absolutely love it if you guys would tell me one of your Christmas traditions. Leave a Christmas tree emoji with a smiling face emoji and some snowflake emojis. I hope you all had a very, very Merry Christmas. I can't wait to chat with you guys more in the new year. Happy holidays. Bless each and every one of you guys. I love you all. Bye now. If you are interested in more of my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more.